Welcome to my part 4 series for weekend side hustle ideas. Now, we've been staying home on Sundays, some of us, right? Some of us are not working on Sundays and not working over the weekend. So we are thinking, oh my gosh, how am I going to supplement my income? Maybe you're happy with the income that you are having and you're good. But this video is for those who are looking to expand their income. Now, I have to say, I have met a coworker and she just said in order to live a comfortable life, you need 4-income household. Can you imagine that? To get a 4-income household is so not possible unless you have 4 people working in the house and bringing in for each income. So this is so not possible. However, I got some ideas thinking, how about working over the weekend? If you're working over the weekend, you might supplement the income. It's better to have 2-income household or 3-income household than just 1-income household or 2. So today is a series of part 4. If you missed my other videos, I'm going to share with them right here. There is a playlist that you can just go and catch it up. So the other idea that I've got is to be a graphic designer. A graphic designer, now you're probably thinking, oh my god, I don't know what Sara is talking about. She's just giving me nonsense. But listen, I have done my research, and as a career coach, I know what is everyone capable of doing. So as a graphic designer, you don't need a degree, you don't need so much knowledge. All you need is to know which tools are out there that can help you. Before the internet world, yes, you needed to know how to design skills, you needed to know so many ways of creativity. But right now we have this internet that has everything that you need, and some of them are even free to learn. So why not use to your advantage and make money out of it? So start with designing a logo. You're probably thinking, I'm not creative enough. I really don't know where to start. I don't know how to write anything. I don't know how to design a logo. I'm not an artist. I'm not a graphic designer. I know what you're thinking. There is a platform that is called Looka. Looka is a logo maker generator. So there are themes. There are many types of logos that you can pick and choose, and then you can create a logo for a client. You can design pitch decks. These are all for presentations that are required for senior vice presidents, public speakers, anyone who needs to create a presentation in order to get their message out there. So I use a platform that is called Ian. Majority of the time, let's say, I don't know if you have that kind of computer, but let's say my computer has glitches. So let's say if I have so many information and it's so many tasks that I do all in once, my computer just bogs out and just erases everything. So there is a platform that can restore the data that was lost for no apparent reason. That happens, it's life, right? That's called rewind. The data that is restored, you can just continue with your work. Then you want to use Dropbox. Dropbox, it's kind of like a Google Drive. So Dropbox, you can share it. You can share your files. You can collect files in the Dropbox and then share it with the client. You can create business cards through Vistaprint. Vistaprint is cheap and they have a lot of themes. And if you are not happy with their themes, you can create your own design and you can upload it to Vistaprint, and now you have it. You have a beautiful business card to promote yourself and also to offer that service to others. You can design labels through Labelland. So labels that are on book bags for people who need labels for their clothing, for envelopes. Labels are needed for people who really want to make sure that everything is theirs. And also a platform that is called Pastel. Pastel is a platform that you are sharing your assets to your client, right? Creative assets, that means your designs. You are sharing with a client, and then the client approves it, and then they send it back to you, so that way you don't have to have any interaction with them face to face, any phone calls to make. It's everything through the computer, everything through the Pastel. Let me know in the comments if you are interested to learn more about graphic design, how you can become one, what is the step-by-step you need to do in order to start bringing clients. Let me know in the comments if you are interested, and I will create a video like that. Like this video so I know you like my content, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for part 5 series.